Jet is expanding our industry-leading product offering again with a 9-inch small-piece variable-speed wide-belt sander, designed to save time and money while grinding and finishing large numbers of small pieces. Perfect for removing burrs and slag from plasma, laser, or water jet cuts. Vacuum suction on the conveyor belt holds material in place to produce better finishes and allows processing of smaller pieces. Easily adjust the height of the table with a vertical indicator and precision height adjustment gauge for fine tuning. The swing-away control panel keeps all controls easily accessible to the operator, including the E-stop button. Both the abrasive and conveyor belts are variable speed, providing the ability to finish multiple types of material, including steel, aluminum, and plastics. Improve your shop's productivity with an auto-tracking system to keep the abrasive belt aligned, providing 50% time savings and extending belt life. The material height lever eliminates accidental, improper material entry. A quick-stop bar on the conveyor belt entry provides additional operator safety measures. This wide belt sander is backed by Jet Red Assurance 2-year warranty.